Hey there, corn lovers. So not everyone wants to eat corn off the cob. Sometimes we like to have it in a salad or as a side dish, but you don't want kernels flying all over your kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to cut corn perfectly with no mess. Hello and welcome to Haven's Kitchen. My name's Allie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut corn off the cob with no mess. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a big bowl and a little bowl and put the little bowl face down inside the big bowl. Then you're going to make sure that your corn has a flat bottom, and you're just going to basically hold the corn on the top of the little bowl using your palm and get ready to cut down with a knife. You're going to cut down with the knife and collect all of the little corn kernels in the big bowl, and then simply just remove the little bowl and you're going to have a bowl full of corn. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video on how to easily and cleanly cut corn off the cob. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Haven's Kitchen cooking tips and tricks.